What is going on, guys? We're back. We got another flip on the channel. We got a Toyota Camry today. I got this car last night, and man, let me tell you, I got it for a steal. So today we're gonna find out and see if we can make a profit. We're gonna clean it, get it ready, and put it on the market for sale. So let's get to it. A little quick tour of how the car looks. I think it looks pretty straight for what it is. Not bad. Let's go inside, see how dirty it is. It is a little bit dirty, but not too bad. Not too bad. Just a couple of spots here and there. No big deal. It's a little bit dirty, not too bad. It's all right. Let's take a look at the back. We're gonna do an oil change as well, so let's put that in the back. But yeah, you know, there. It does have a couple of spots here and there where it needs some cleaning. So yeah, we're gonna get all of that, wipe it down, try to clean it as best as we can, and yeah, so let's begin. So far, what we got, I think it looks a little bit better. Those stains will not come out for the life of me. I already hit them like 3 or 4 times. They will not come out. So this is the best that I can do. I think it looks a lot better. So so far, how it's going, I think it looks a little bit better. Those stains, man, they would not go away. But I think this looks better, guys, compared to how it was before. I also hit the seats right there at the top. I think it looks better. Let's look at the front real fast. I did this one pretty quick. It wasn't as sturdy. That's why I really didn't get it on video. But oh yep, this dang seat is so slow. Oh yeah, check it out. It's looking good. Heck yeah. Now I just have to clean the cup holders, a little bit of the dash, the top, and we should be good. Let's go. All right, guys, we are done with the interior. Man, I think it came out pretty nice. I mean, the car was kind of dirty, and again, it's an older car, so it's not going to be perfect, but I think we did a pretty decent job. Let's go take a look at the other side. I think we did a pretty decent job. Not too bad. Other side. Not too bad. All right, now I want to move on to the headlights. We're going to restore them and make them look brand new. Now for my absolute favorite part, the headlights. We're going to make them look brand new, guys. So let's get it. I had to get this on video. Guys, look at this. Look at how dirty this cabin air filter is. Oh my lord. And the air filter is dirty as well. So I'm gonna have to buy 2 new air filters for this car, which is not a problem, but come on, this thing looks like it hasn't been changed in decades. Damn. All right, guys, it is the end of the video. We got the car done. As you guys saw, we did it in one day. And yeah, now all I have to do is buy both of the air filters. And the oil change, I'm not going to change it. I thought it hadn't gotten an oil change, but I remember the customer told me yesterday that they did do an oil change on it. So, hey, less work for me. And yeah, I got it done faster. So now all we got to do is take some pictures of the car and what's it for sale, guys. It was that quick. I can't believe that it was that quick on this one. I mean, all as you guys saw, all I did was just give it a nice cleaned it inside, and that's it, guys. Let's take pictures. Let's get this money.